Hi Vixen Gang, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be coloring my turquoise wig a blue color. So these are the different colors I did for this first process. I mixed lightener with the color. I was trying this technique I seen on YouTube. It did not work for me. So you guys will see later in this little patch area that I did, it turned it like a light orange color, basically like stripped the color out of it. So we not trying it no more. So I end up going in just with the color itself and coloring through. I use indigo blue and the blue black by Kiss Colors. So with doing the lace, you want to take real small sections and try to get as close as you can to the root without staining the lace. And then I'm going through the back and just putting the color directly on there. The finished color that I'm going to show after I wash it out is actually how this color looks once it's washed out. But it still was a little bit too blue for me. Like the turquoise to me looked good on my skin, but this blue was like still a little bit too light. So I end up going back in and watercoloring the wig in blue black and the navy blue color. So the picture on the end when I start doing my makeup is after I dipped it, but I just still wanted to show this process. It was still really pretty. It just depends on what your preference is. Another tip too, you want to make sure you really work the color in with your hands when you're putting the color in on this way. I washed it with cold water, and there's that ugly orange patch I was telling you about, but the color came out gorgeous. Just look at it, it's pretty. Okay, now on for the makeup look. I'm going in with the Flamingo eyeshadow palette by Violet Boss in the color Beach Ball, and doing that darker green as my base color. And then I'm gonna blend it out with Sunbathe, which is like a brownish nude shade. Going in and cutting my crease with the Tarte Shape Tape in the number Deep Sand Tan, I believe. And then I'm going back in with Beach Ball out of the Voss palette. I'm taking the pink, it's A5 out of the Norvina, the ABH Norvina collection palette. It is a really pretty pink. I really like it. And then I'm going to take the color C1 out of that same palette for the white to do in my inner crease. with liner, which is my favorite liner. It's the cheapest liner you can buy. And I'm not going to take it into a wing. I'm just going to take it on the end of that. Now I'm priming my lids with the NYX glitter glue or glitter primer, and then added some chunky glitter on top of that. So now I'm going in with the Deep Santana Sharp Tape as my concealer. I use the NC45 right up underneath that because it has more of an orange base. And then I use the Estee Lauder 6W1 as the darker shade to go around the perimeter of my face. And I'm just going to blend that all in after putting it in the areas that I want. I just recently started doing makeup like this. I had seen it on Taylor Made Jane's video, and I really like how it comes out. It really gives me a really natural look. So, and I've always been the type of person that have to mix foundation to try to get it to the right shade. So this is just genius to do it this way. I did my blush and set my face off camera, but this is the final look. I'm gonna insert some pictures because I forgot to do a video reel. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, join the VixenGang, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, share with your friends, and comment below if you like the look. Thank you. Bye.